Let's talk side recovery and carriers. Everybody already knows the benefits of having a carrier that is side pull capable. Today, we're talking about Bailey's side recovery guide and how to get the most out of it. Factory installed side pull systems are great options. However, you might not be in an area where you can see getting a return on that investment. The carrier you operate doesn't have that as an option, or you have a factory side puller system and you want the option for dual line capabilities. A Bailey's side recovery guide is a great tool for a box in just about any carrier. As many of you already know, the tool is lightweight, easy to use, uses existing equipment that you have, and can be placed anywhere on either side of the bed for maximum versatility. There are two versions available. We recommend this product to be used when the carrier deck is in the locked position to reduce the stress on pivot points of the deck. Even though the side recovery guide can be placed anywhere along the sides, it is important to keep in mind that when it's set up towards the rear of the bed, there will be some stability loss because of leverage, especially in inclement conditions. As the side recovery guide is moved more towards the winch, usually between the rear axle and the cab, stability is greatly increased and stress on the carrier is decreased. Plus, there will be a little more winch line available for use. There are always recoveries where having a few extra feet make a huge difference. The name of this tool, the side recovery guide, is strictly as it says. It is a guide. Positioning of the chain and the snatch block is important because it shares the load with the winch, and it needs to be lined up to feed the winch line straight into the drum. Please take the time to watch the videos of this product being used on YouTube or on our website. Read the directions. At least look at the pictures of it being used. Get out there in your yard. Use a junk car to find the perfect setup for your particular carrier and chassis combination. It is always a good idea to train and familiarize yourself with any new tool before putting it into service. Check out our website, watch the videos. If you have any questions, reach out to us. Go online today, purchase a proven tool that has been around since 2008.